Welcome to our cryptocurrency course on how to find undervalued altcoins. My name is Will and I'm an entrepreneur, business owner, and have investments in real estate and of course, cryptocurrencies. It's an exciting time to get involved in something truly revolutionary, and I'm happy you've enrolled so that I can share with you what I've learned and my process for finding and investing in undervalued altcoins. As mentioned in the course promo, this isn't a beginner's course as we have two other cryptocurrency for beginners courses. Also, this isn't an advanced course, and we won't be covering any technical analysis or trading techniques. With that being said, the purpose of this course is to teach you my methods and strategies into discovering undervalued coins that may have big potential. There is an endless source of information available on the internet, so I can't possibly have enough time to go through every single website and read every single article to try and teach you how I invest. So there will be other strategies that work. There will be other people that have their own way of researching, and that's great. I even will go as far as saying, I hope the information presented in this course allows you to come up with your own style of researching by leveraging my methods. There is no right or wrong way, so if you feel something doesn't work for you, that's great, but I encourage you to at least consider implementing what I'm showing you because it has worked very well for my cryptocurrency portfolio gains and my investments as a whole. Also, when I pick any coins in this course to look into, that doesn't mean it is guaranteed to increase in value, and it doesn't mean that the coin will always be a good pick. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, which makes them highly risky. It is up to you to decide if an investment is right for you and your money. The money I've invested into cryptocurrencies, I've already considered it lost. I cannot stress this enough. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. With that in mind, learn the techniques and methods I teach behind identifying undervalued cryptocurrencies instead of paying attention to any one coin I may pick throughout the course because things change over time. In the last lesson, I will include a PDF resource that I will update as time goes on with my favorite undervalued coin picks, so you can check that out if you'd like. Alright, to get started, I'd like you to create a Gmail account if you don't already have one, so that we can work on a Google spreadsheet, or if you have Microsoft Excel installed, that will work too. In the next lesson, I'll walk you through how I track cryptocurrencies. Let's get started with the course, and thanks again for enrolling.